Hello everybody. Today we are going to learn about how to open a company in new company in Tally Prime. First you have to see the icon of Tally Prime in your desktop. When you already you are learned how to install Tally Prime. After installing you will get a small icon on the desktop that is called as a Tally Prime here icon. If you double click on it, then you will open Tally Prime. It will open. It will take some time to install or open. After that you will get this type of window. Here you have to select continue in education mode if you are using educational version. If you are using licensed version, means if you are purchased a new Tally Prime, means you have to select this option, activate new license. If you are already purchased a license and after completing 1 year you have to reactivate the license, you have to renewal the license after 1 year, then at that time you have to select this option, reactivate existing license. Use license from network. This is other thing or multi net multiple multiple license copy, that and that case you have to select this one. We'll select this one, continue in educational mode. Then you have to select create company. You have to click on the create company. After that you will get the one application form where you have to fill the company details. First you have to enter company name. I will type Agastya AG Traders. I will give AG Traders. Next press enter. Then mailing name will same company name will come below mailing name, and type the address. Then go on pressing, then select state. Here I will select K here, Karnataka. Whichever your state is there, you have to select this one, state. Then country will automatically come. Then after that type pin code, then type phone number. After that type phone number, mobile number, that is landline. Then if you have a fax, then you type. Next type mail ID. Then website, if you have, type it. Then financial year, year beginning from, you have to give compulsory 1st April 2024, and books beginning from you give, that is also from 1st April 2024. Then press enter. Then base currency symbol it will ask, that is rupees. Formal name is INR. Then press enter. It will ask accept, then press S. your company is created. Then it will ask company accounting maintenance. This you just go on pressing enter, enter, enter. Here it will ask GST type, whether you are into a regular or composition or regular SEZ, whichever you are coming into, which type of category you have to choose. I will choose here regular. Then type your GST number. And periodically of GSTR1 it is asking how you are going to file. If you are regular means you have to file it monthly. If you are if you are come into composition means you have to select quarterly. I am selecting now monthly. Invoicing is applicable, it is asking, just leave it now. UA bill is UA bill applicable, it is asking, let it be yes. Application form is yes. Press enter, then press Y, then press enter, press enter, press Y. Your company is now created. AG Traders has been created. If you wanted to alter some of the, for example, you wanted to change the mobile number or address, then you have to, when you after filling the application form, you will get into gateway of Tally. This is the main window of the Tally Prime. First, if you also wanted to create another company, then you have to select create company. Now I wanted to change some of the uh, items in a company, so I will select alter. I will select company GST details. Just a minute, I will press escape. Change company. In next class we will going to learn about how to alter uh, company. Thank you one and all for watching our video. Thank you.